So nice to see you always not losing ನಿಮ್ಮ path. Okay.
Yeah.
This is what ನಾನು ಹೊರಟಿದ್ದು ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ
Yeah.
ಅಂತ.
In fact, that's why I was trying to say social media influencer agi. Today, the competition is about being seen.
ಹೌದಾ?
It is so saddening. I don't know, ಜನಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದು at least ಒಂದು 5-10 ವರ್ಷ ಕೊಡಿ, ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ that they are going into their own downhill. If you want to only be seen, ನಾನು ಅದೇ ಕೇಳೋದು, when you're doing this, we were just having a conversation, ನೀವು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರಿ, I connect so much with what people say. When they say something to us, it's so nice to take this to your head and am I able to apply it ಅಂತ. ಬಟ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಜನ ಇವತ್ತು ಸೋಷಿಯಲ್ ಮೀಡಿಯಾಲಿ ಅದೇ ಅಪ್ಲೈಯಿಂಗ್ ವಾಟ್ ದೇ ಸೀಯಿಂಗ್, or they're just doing it and then looking at, okay, ishtu views ಆಗಿದೆಯೋ ಇಲ್ವೋ. I think that is the biggest downfall on a social media platform. Absolutely. There used to be a time where I used to just post, and in fact one of my friends, they were like, Bhabi, they call me Bhabi, they said, Bhabi, ನಿಮಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟೊಂದು followers ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಅಂತ ನೀವು. And this was way 5 years back, 6 years back. And Instagram was not even a thing to look back on. I'm saying that time. And ನನಗೆ ಅವಾಗ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ. I'm like, oh, is there something called a following? Because ಅವಾಗ the whole motive was use Instagram or social media to post your life. That is all we were doing. And ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಫಾಲೋವರ್ಸ್ ಬರಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ವಿದೌಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾವಿಂಗ್ ದ ಮೋಟೋ ಆಫ್ ಸರಿ ಇದರಿಂದ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಬಟ್ ಟುಡೇ everyone's looking at ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಇನ್ನೂ ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ, can we post about this, can we post about that.
They're all trying to be relevant.
Rat race.
Get that attention because they have to be seen.
That is a big red flag. The minute you're looking at your followers, stop it. ನಿಮಗೇನಾದರೂ ಖುಷಿ ಸಿಗುತ್ತಾ, ಪೋಸ್ಟ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಇಟ್. ನಿಮಗೇನಾದರೂ ಹಂಚ್ಕೋಬೇಕಾ ಆಡಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಜೊತೆ, ಪೋಸ್ಟ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಇಟ್. ವಾಪಸ್ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಎಷ್ಟಾಯಿತು ಅಂತ ನೋಡ್ತಾನೆ ಇರಬೇಡಿ. just let go. Unless you're hurting someone, you're causing pain to someone, stop doing that. But ನಿಮಗೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಲೈಫ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಏನಾದರೂ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ that you think is worthwhile, do it. ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ and then don't even look at your comment section, don't look at your followers, then see the satisfaction you get.
True that.
ಅಷ್ಟರಲ್ಲೇ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ how many people will stop posting as frequent.
I think my initial learning with social media was one famous saying ಇದೆ, content is king ಆದರೆ connection is kingdom ಅಂತ. Like I was so raw, I was like, if you see Rapid Rashmi in 2006 to now, I think one thing that I've done is confidently nuggu, even if you're made fun of. But through that, the churning happened. And today, to some extent, probably it could be the refined version. But I never failed to try something new, ಒಂದು. And connection, the genuine ಇದು ಇದಾಗ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. And today, I think people are, ಅದೇ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ, ದುಡ್ಡಿಂದೇ ಓಡಬೇಡಿ, do good work, good will come to you. So how do you plan on creating impact? Like what we are also doing is impact.
Right.
If the impact is right, if you're connecting with them for the right reasons, they will only follow you. You don't have to force yourself on them, alva.
And ಏನು ಗೊತ್ತಾ, it's finally an algorithm. Okay, ನೀವು ಏನು ಬೇಕಾದರೂ ಮಾಡಿ, you know there is someone at the back also doing the work for you. But don't let that come in between. Now, ನನ್ನ ಇಂಪ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, I've always used social media to make an impact only. ಜೆನ್ಯೂನ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ, ನನ್ನ ಡಾನ್ಸ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ, ನನ್ನ ಫಿಟ್ನೆಸ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಐವ್ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ಲವ್ ಟು ಶೇರ್. ಎಸ್ಪೆಷಲಿ ಕೋವಿಡ್ ಟೈಮಲ್ಲಿ ನನಗೆ ಅದೇ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯಿತು, ದಟ್ ವೆನ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಪೋಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್, ದೇರ್ ಆರ್ ಪೀಪಲ್ ಹೂ ಆರ್ ಕನೆಕ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ವಿತ್ ವಾಟ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಡೂಯಿಂಗ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಡೂ ದ ಸೇಮ್ ವೇ.
Right.
Than just looking at reels, looking at video just to say, okay, it's entertaining me, ಏನು ಮಾಡೋದು ಅಂತ. And that would literally mind boggle them. ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ರೀಲ್ಸ್ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ ಪೀಪಲ್ ಡೋಂಟ್ ರಿಯಲೈಸ್, ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಅ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಯು ಬಿಕಮ್ ಬ್ಲ್ಯಾಂಕ್. ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ ಅಂತಾನೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಲ್ಲ.
ಏನು ಮುಂಚೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ
ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಫೋನಿಗೆ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ.
ಟ್ರೂ.
ಬಟ್ ವಿತ್ ಮೈನ್ ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ದಟ್ ವೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಬಿನ್ ಬ್ಲೆಸ್ಡ್, ರಶ್ಮಿ. ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಮುಂಚೆಯಿಂದಾನೇ ನನ್ನ ಡಾನ್ಸ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಫಿಟ್ನೆಸ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ, ಎಸ್ಪೆಷಲಿ ವೆನ್ ಐ ಗಿವ್ ಇನ್ ಟಿಪ್ಸ್, ಪೀಪಲ್ ಆರ್ ಈಗರ್ ಟು ವೇಟ್. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ at the age of 34 today, Rashmi, if I'm able to do so much physically, do so much mentally, there is something that I'm following, right? And that is what I like to follow. And that is how I feel social media in that's the kind of impact I want to make. Because, I mean, we are always blessed, Prajwal and me, Prajwal sir and me have always been blessed with a lot of love. Fans in the early, any post that we put with our personal life, there's always so much liking and love to it. So adana one bond share ಮಾಡಿ ಅದನ್ನ maintain ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ is why we again put that up. But if I have to use social media, I always want to do this kind of an impact.